Now we are going to check the demo for VANET project. Here what we have done is we have developed a wireless network with in VANET architecture. This has OBUs and vehicles in the architecture. There are OBUs. OBU means on-board unit, kind of router, and we are identifying the one hook neighbors for all nodes, and we are setting the source and destination node, and it can be changed any, and we are calculating the trust value. The trust value calculation is depending on this formula. There are two trusts: subjective trust and recommendation trust. Recommendation trust involves direct and indirect trust values of the nodes. So how these values, subjective, recommendation, in direct and indirect values, are created as a random value. So the total trust is calculated using alpha into subjective trust plus beta into recommendation trust, where the alpha beta are the constants. So based on the trust value generated for the nodes, the route is created between the source and the destination, and the packets are transmitted between the source and destination, and we are arriving the graphs. I am executing the project now. So this is the project folder where we have all the file values, the direct trust and indirect trust, this one nam, tr, packet delivery ratio, this one a neighbor, s trust, trust value, everything I am deleting. So only the graph.tcl, vanet.tcl I have. So I run vanet.tcl. So this every files will be created on runtime. So here we are setting the uh, direct trust of the nodes. We have created total number of nodes 55, 0 to 54, total 55 nodes. So we have created a direct trust value in a random manner, and indirect trust value, similarly subject trust value. So according to our formula, so according to the formula, so we have created the trust value. Here the final trust for the nodes is stored on this file. This is the final trust value created for the every node. And here neighbors, this stores the every node neighbor for the routing table. For 0th nodes neighbor are 1 2 3 4, and node 1 neighbor are 0 19 39. Like that we have created a routing table. And as we executed the project, now we are seeing the terminal. Here first we are showing the neighbor nodes of every node. We are taking source node 0, 45 destination nodes, and the node 0 and the node neighbor nodes of all nodes are shown here. Next we are showing the node trust value and the total trust value as a table format. And here we are set 8 to 10 vehicles. So every node we are having vehicle number, and then finally the node trust value is shown here. And now we are creating the routing from 0 node to next node. So 1 2 3 4 are taken. We are taking the shortest path to the destination. Moreover, we are taking the good source, good trust level node also. So 1 2 3 4 are the nearest neighbor of 0, whereas we are taking node 1 because of the value to the destination is less and high trust. So similarly we are taking the routing path to 0 1 19 17 16 45. So I am showing nam.out.nam. Here the you can zoom here, and the VANET architecture is shown here. You can run the project. So these are all the RSU or OBU we say on architecture of the network. So there are two vehicles on every road moves through, and this is like a control center. We are taking 0 node, 0 is the control center. So now source node is passing the packet to the destination node 45, vehicle number 45, through 1 19 18 17, 16 via 45. So the routes is created. The packets, we can see the packet transmission, and the vehicle nodes are moving, and the vehicle is also moving here. The packet will be transmitted to the destination. So nsgraph.tcl, this is the packet delivery ratio, this is packet loss, and this is end-to-end delay. So thank you.